Welcome to the world of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. If you've ever wanted to transform your passion for wood into a profitable venture, you're in the right place. This guide will explore easy wood creations that not only enhance your living space but also can be built quickly and sold for a profit. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, these ideas will inspire you to create beautiful, functional pieces that resonate with a wide audience. Woodworking is more than just a hobby. It's an opportunity to express your creativity and meet the growing demand for unique, handcrafted items. In a market saturated with mass-produced goods, consumers are increasingly seeking out sustainable, personalized products that reflect their individual tastes. By focusing on easy-to-build projects, you can quickly generate a range of items that showcase your skills while appealing to eco-conscious buyers. Join us on this journey as we delve into the exciting possibilities that woodworking offers for both personal satisfaction and financial success. As we wrap up this exploration of easy wood creations, we hope you're inspired to start your own woodworking journey and bring your creative ideas to life. Remember, the world of woodworking is filled with endless possibilities, and each project you undertake not only hones your skills but also has the potential to connect you with a community of like-minded enthusiasts. If you found this video helpful and motivating, be sure to stay tuned until the end for more tips and ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates, like this video to show your support, and share it with friends who might be interested in diving into the wonderful world of woodworking. Your engagement helps us continue to provide valuable content and foster a vibrant creative community. Thank you for watching, and happy woodworking! Creating wood furniture and decor can be a rewarding venture, especially when you can produce items quickly and profitably. The beauty of working with wood lies in its versatility and the endless possibilities it offers. From crafting functional pieces to artistic decor, anyone with basic woodworking skills can tap into this lucrative market. Starting with simple designs can help you build confidence and expertise over time, making it easier to tackle more complex projects as your skills develop. The satisfaction of transforming raw materials into beautiful, usable items can be deeply fulfilling and can motivate you to keep creating. One of the main advantages of woodworking projects is their accessibility. With a few essential tools and materials, you can start creating items that appeal to a wide audience. The entry point for woodworking is relatively low. Often, you can begin with just a basic saw, some sandpaper, and a few other tools. This accessibility lowers the barrier to entry for those looking to dive into woodworking as a hobby or business. Additionally, many resources are available online and in local libraries, allowing novices to learn techniques and gain inspiration at their own pace. This democratization of woodworking knowledge encourages more people to explore their creative potential. Moreover, the growing trend towards sustainable and eco-friendly products has made woodworking especially appealing. Many consumers are now seeking unique, handcrafted items that tell a story, rather than mass-produced alternatives. This trend opens up avenues for artisans to market their creations as environmentally conscious and socially responsible. By using reclaimed or sustainably sourced materials, you can attract a demographic that values sustainability. Customers appreciate the idea that their purchases contribute to a more sustainable future, which can enhance your brand's appeal and foster a loyal customer base. Time efficiency is another critical factor in the woodworking business. Focusing on projects that can be completed in a short amount of time allows you to produce more items and, consequently, increase your potential profits. Streamlining your workflow and mastering basic techniques can significantly reduce the time spent on each piece. This efficiency not only enhances your productivity but also keeps your creative energy flowing. By setting clear goals for each project and developing a consistent routine, you can maximize your output without sacrificing quality, ultimately leading to greater financial success. In addition to speed, versatility is essential in woodworking. Items that serve multiple purposes or can be used in various settings tend to sell well. Think about creating pieces that can adapt to different environments, such as homes, offices, or outdoor spaces. For example, a simple design that can function as both a side table and a plant stand expands its marketability. This adaptability allows you to reach a broader market and increases the likelihood of repeat customers. Versatile products can also help you stand out in a crowded marketplace, making your creations more appealing to potential buyers. Another aspect to consider is the aesthetics of your creations. Incorporating various finishes and designs can help elevate your work and attract attention. A well-designed piece can become a focal point in a room, making it more desirable to potential buyers. Experimenting with colors, textures, and styles can help you find a niche that resonates with your target audience. The visual appeal of your items can significantly influence purchasing decisions, so investing time in the finishing touches can pay off in increased sales and customer satisfaction. Lastly, embracing continuous learning and experimentation can keep your passion alive. The woodworking world is vast, with endless techniques and styles to explore. Whether it's trying out new tools or experimenting with different materials, staying curious can lead to exciting developments in your craft. Participating in workshops or online courses can help you sharpen your skills and stay updated on the latest trends. This commitment to growth not only benefits your work but also contributes to a fulfilling creative journey, keeping your enthusiasm for woodworking vibrant. Networking within the woodworking community can also provide valuable insights and opportunities. Engaging with other woodworkers, attending workshops, or joining online forums can expose you to new techniques, trends, and potential buyers. Sharing your experiences and learning from others can enhance your skills and broaden your market reach. Building relationships with fellow artisans can lead to collaborations or referrals, further expanding your business's visibility and credibility in the woodworking scene. In summary, woodworking offers a dynamic and profitable avenue for creative expression. By focusing on easy-to-build projects, embracing sustainability, and effectively marketing your creations, you can tap into a thriving market. With dedication and a willingness to learn, you can transform your passion for woodworking into a successful venture that brings joy to both you and your customers. The journey of creating with wood can be a deeply satisfying one, filled with opportunities for personal and financial growth. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in exploring the wonderful world of woodworking with us. Your support means a lot, and we hope you found the ideas and tips shared here both inspiring and practical for your own creative projects. As you embark on your woodworking journey, remember that each piece you create is not just a product but a reflection of your unique vision and craftsmanship. We encourage you to experiment, innovate, and share your progress with us and the community. Stay connected for more woodworking insights, tutorials, and inspiration in the future. Happy crafting, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.